for our Tech Talk.
And today, Lou Norman talking about the necessary steps for installing those tech gifts in your car.
Good morning, Lou.
Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Tom. Yes, we're talking about the gift of warmth. There are many people that are going to get the gift of a remote car start. They might get the gift of heated seats. But these things need to be installed in your vehicle. And if you happen to get a little box like this and it's got some remote controls in it, they're real. So keep them away from the pets and put them in a safe spot. Sometimes people are concerned about the warranty on their vehicle. Maybe Uncle Joe's in the background and goes, "Oh, you better be careful. That's going to void the warranty in your vehicle." Actually, that's not true. Congress enacted the Magnuson-Moss Act, which states no one can automatically void the warranty in your vehicle. But you want to make sure that the shop you take it to does know what they're doing. Shops are busy this time of year, so don't delay. Make sure you call and get an appointment scheduled if it has not already been scheduled. You could also go to the website of the shop that's going to be working on your car, and maybe you could send them an email or a message. They'll come in the morning, they'll see your message, and then they can contact you and say, "We'll get you set up on this date." Make sure your car is ready for the technicians that are going to be working on it. If technicians are going to be installing heated seats on your vehicle, both those seats have to come out of the vehicle in order to be worked on. So make sure that the things that you may need are not scattered around the vehicle and it's kind of cleaned up for them. Plan on leaving the car for the day. Shops are very busy this time of year. They're going to be working on lots of cars, and doing heated seats and remote starts don't take just an hour or two. It could take quite a long time. So don't be afraid to drop the vehicle off and say, "Hey, call me when it's going to be ready. Here's the vehicle." Make sure, final thing, leave all your contact information when you drop off your vehicle so when your car is ready, they know who to call. So with today's Tech Talk, I'm Lou, Tom and Tracy, back to you.
Thank you, Lou. Inevitably, something happens that delays the process, so I can appreciate the drop the car off, go,
Right.
let me know when it's done, if at all possible.
Absolutely,
you know.
yeah.